Oh, I'm shocked.
Coconut cake.
I'm dead inside.
Guys, I froze this banana when I made the broccoli ice cream. That's how long it's been in there.
Ew.
Thumbnail. Hello! Welcome back to my kitchen, where all the bad stuff is gonna happen today.
That's the intro?
Yeah. So I thought of an amazing video idea. I just wanna deep fry everything I can find in my household. Well, not everything I found in my household. I just went grocery shopping, of course, and I saw this frozen banana. That's not the sound you want to hear when you put down a banana. I have a special guest today who's gonna help me deep frying everything.
Yes, hello, it's me. Hi, what's up?
Maybe you should say your name.
Hi, I'm Arvin. I'm very excited for this broccoli.
Broccoliiiis.
Okay, let's start.
We have to fill it up with some oil. We're gonna heat it up.
I'm literally scared. You can burn your f***ing existence with this shit. We can't do it on this.
So?
I'm scared now. This desk is not even safe. It's like wobble-de-wobble-de-wop. Hot boiling oil? No, I mean, this is not safe.
No, you're overreacting. This is all fine. Hello, this is editing Naomi from the future. Eating fries. So I'm editing this video and it looks like I don't care about safety at all, which is not true. I'm just here to say, whatever you do, don't do what we're doing in this video. Deep frying stuff involves hot boiling oil and it looks like I'm really silly, which I am. I'm just here to say, don't do whatever we did in this video, or don't do it without someone making sure you're safe, or someone watching you. Maybe your parents. It should be your parents. So yeah, please be careful. Don't be us. Be a little bit more responsible. And now enjoy this video. Okay. Du hast halt nur niemals, wenn heißes Fett...
Nein, was heißt kühl? Also wenn das jetzt wirklich so über dich gibt, also dann rufe ich den Notwagen an, aber was mache ich, während du hier bist? Ich glaube, ich war nur nicht so scared in dem Video.
Ehrlich?
Ja.
Tschüss.
Okay. Vincent also said it's not safe.
That means it's perfectly fine. You wanna sit?
Komm, geh mal so ein Stück zurück. Komm, geh mal so ein bisschen zurück, dass du hier nicht da so dran kommst.
Deep frying your beautiful memories. So yeah, we've mixed the batter. This is like a pancake mixture. I think it's gonna be fine. It's like very tasteless, basically. So I think it will be suitable for all kinds of food. Love me? What should we fry first? Wait, no. We didn't eat anything today yet, so maybe we should start with the starter, you know?
Breakfast time!
Maybe we should fry these. It's like cinnamon rolls.
Wow!
A bit of sizzling.
Ooh, wow!
Cool.
Ooh! Wow! It turns brown!
Ooh, sexy.
Look at this.
Let's put some sushi in.
I love that.
Really? I bought this amazing sushi from a grocery store. Hallo? Ja, den können Sie gleich sprechen.
Which one do you want to have?
You got chopsticks.
This is a lot. Amazing.
Oh, geil. Look, I got these chocolate coconut cakes.
I love him.
And these two just minding their own business. Just spread it like some butter on a toast.
This looks so yummy.
Actually, this looks amazing. I'm kind of worried that you can't even like tell the difference between the sushi and the cinnamon roll. I found broccoli.
Oh wow.
Well, people are gonna be so triggered that we put it in the same one with the cake, but well, we put sushi in the cinnamon. Okay, just put it in there.
It's thick.
Thicker than a Snicker.
Do you want to lick some? Are you sure? Very sure? Take a seat, me lady.
Okay guys, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna deep fry some watermelon.
It's watermelon! Inside a watermelon!
Because Vincent hates watermelon and maybe he's gonna like it if we deep fry it.
I love it.
I mean, you can only like deep fried stuff, right? Cool. This is gonna taste amazing.
This is better.
This is literally better. Yes!
We lost her.
No! Yeah, just wrap her in there. Vincent's gonna love it so much. So our other camera died. Can you just not press my head against the thing? Ow! Well, now I need to film with this one. Now I want to fry some Oreo.
Oreo.
Okay, let's fry 3 Oreos because we need one for Vincent, for Marvin, and for me. Maybe I shouldn't have put them in all at once.
Delicious.
Cool. Guys, look at the Oreos. They have grown so much. They look like little donuts.
Oh,
So cute. Okay. There's a little bit of watermelon in there, a little bit of like cake crumbs. It's just amazing. Now we're gonna fry some bueno because that's literally the best sweets on earth. No, wait, let me correct that. It's like delicious. I don't want to make assumptions. We froze them before we put them in there, but I'm still scared.
This looks wrong, but I love it.
Oh, it's melting. Oh, I'm scared. So for the last thing to fry, I have this frozen piece of pizza. This is tuna, by the way. He's vegetarian. That's why we're gonna do this last. Guys, you know, my favorite food is banana. See, it's like super safe.
Don't touch it.
What do you mean? Everything's fine, don't worry, everything's fine. Last but not least, the pizza! Pizza slice. Well, we also don't have any batter left, so... Perfect. That's how you deep fry, right?
Then you just flip and turn it around. Look at me, I'm the professional fryer. This is so heavy. Oh my god.
Has anyone ever deep fried pizza before? Yum!
She's living her best life.
Is she though?
I'm convinced.
If that's the look of living my best life, I don't want to live my best life.
Look at this piece of pizza.
Alright guys, this is the final result. Wow, it looks so good. I have no idea what was what. I mean, this is apparently the broccoli and this is the pizza, but everything else looks like basically the same.
So, are we ready?
I think we are ready. These are our beautiful creations. I think we first have to call Vincent because he needs to take part of this as well because he said he's very hungry and we created some beautiful dishes right here. So, time for food!
I'm so ready for Ooh.
Oh, stop!
What? I don't know what I expected. I'm so ready.
So what do you think is it?
Oh, that's cake! Pizza!
Yes! 10 points for Gryffindor. Do you know what this is? That's for you.
What is it? Seriously, what is it? You're gonna find out.
I think we should eat the cinnamon rolls first because that's like...
Shall we?
Yeah. Sorry, we just made 2. You can have a bite of mine. That's the same.
But dry. A little bit dry.
Maybe we need some ketchup.
Ew. How much broccoli?
I think this one is like 6 out of 10 broccolis. It's like basically the same. A little bit more volume.
But you need to compare it with the regular food, like with the regular cinnamon bun.
I think it's better.
It's better. So it can be a 6 out of 10.
Why?
Broccolis. How much is the cinnamon bun
I don't know.
itself?
I don't know.
Is it just a 6 out of 10, the regular one?
Stop! Just too much pizza.
I'm taking this very serious, okay? I just really want to know what that is.
So this one we made especially for Vincent.
Oh, but it looks even more disgusting. Does it taste like anything?
Like oil.
Ew.
Instead on like watermelon.
That's sad. What's next? Sushi. You're gonna get this. Sushi time!
Cheers.
Yeah. That's good.
I don't like it. You want to try mine and say if you like it?
No.
This is literally like a, I don't know, 3 out of 2. Let's try the broccoli now, right? Cheers.
Do you think it's...
Eat the whole thing.
I mean, it's not seasoned at all. You need salt and pepper and every spice you can find.
You wanna try it? No, this is for you.
Oh. But is it better than normal broccoli?
Try mine.
Oh, he's going in.
It doesn't even taste like broccoli anymore.
Yeah, right? It kind of lost the broccoli flavor.
You need to try your pizza.
Yeah. Mmm. Right.
My lips are moisturized.
It's dessert time!
The cake. This is a chocolate coconut cake.
Still like...
Do you like your
Not right.
batter? Wow. This is...
It tastes good.
I got some of the coconut now.
I think this is my favorite so far.
Thanks.
Are you ready for more?
So it's funny because Vincent literally saw this morning in Justine Sky's Insta story that she fried some Oreos and he sent me this and I was like, oh, this is my day to fry.
Not bad.
Oh, that's weird.
But it's
Yeah.
good.
I think it's just
So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see, but it's like super soft.
So, last but not least.
The salt.
Hello.
Okay, time for the last one. We're literally almost throwing up because it's so much oil that just like got into our bodies.
Have you heard of this model who injected oil into her face because the doctors wanted to stop putting her filler?
No.
That she got this kind of a head now. Because she put cooking oil into her face.
Olive oil?
cheers. Wait, what is it?
Well.
I don't know. Yes, I love that.
Guys, just look how thick the batter got.
I don't want to eat more, but I also want to eat more.
No, my lifestyle. Well, that was an amazing collab. Which one was your favorite?
Oh my god, imagine Oreo and Bueno in the same one.
What was your favorite? Love that.
Yours? Yeah. Thank you for trying. Thank you for frying.
Thanks for not dying.
Wow!
Tell me which one was your favorite. So maybe our camera literally just died. Wow, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram.
Naomijon Snap on.
Snapchat.
And the Naomijon on.
Twitter.
Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Oh.
What's happening? I'm confused. Spank that ass! Where are you going? Is this the end of the video?
Am Ende.
I was just
Ja, wow, wir müssen, Digga.
Hey, I'm leaving the crowd.